Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about, can I convert my Chapter 13 bankruptcy to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? And the answer is yes, you can. Section 1307A of the code gives debtor the legal right to convert the Chapter 13 bankruptcy case to a Chapter 7. Now you might say, why would you do that? There are a lot of reasons. The most common are, look, when you filed the bankruptcy, for example, let's say you were making $150,000 a year, 6 months into the Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you lose your job, you're on unemployment, you can't afford the payments. I mean, that's one of the reasons to convert to a Chapter 7 is you lose the ability to do it. Another reason to convert to a Chapter 7 is if the reasons for being in the Chapter 13 no longer exist. If you were trying to save the house or the car and the vehicle or the house are gone, and that is the only reason why you filed a Chapter 13 and you qualify for a 7, then conversion to a Chapter 7 might make sense. The other reason sometimes that people look at conversion is if you have a situation where you've incurred new debt after you filed the Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Say you've had a medical problem and you've incurred $100,000 in medical debt. Well, that debt will not go away when the Chapter 13 bankruptcy is over with because it was incurred after you filed. But if you convert to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that debt does go away in your Chapter 7. Any debt that you've incurred after the filing of a 13, but before the 13 discharge, can be added to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy under Section 348D of the Bankruptcy Code when the time is right. When you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so thankful you did.